Euroboor ECO.100-4 and ECO.100-4D. Powerful motor of 1900 watts. Annular cutting up to 100 millimeter diameter. Twist drilling up to 31.75 millimeter diameter. Countersinking up to 105 millimeter diameter. Adjustable RPM and torque for tapping. An optional magnetic swivel base for precision positioning. Detachable Morse taper 3 spindle with internal lubrication. Mechanically adjustable 4-speed gearbox. Clear and easy controls. You won't miss the right button. Extremely easy to handle. ECO.100-4 and ECO.100-4D magnetic drilling machines.